Hello, welcome to SysJohn. In this video, you will learn about decorators in Python. Let's begin. For decorators, a decorator is a function that takes a function as its only parameter and return a function. This is helpful to wrap functionality with the same code over and over again. In a simple word, we can say that decorator is simple a function and where if you want to call the same function again and again, we can treat that function as a decorator and we can use the same function or call that function for multiple times. If you see the example here, we have created a function name as func, and this function will return as a 5. So when I call this function, it is returning 5. Now we'll see function within function, how we can call a function inside a function. Now we have created a function name as hello, and with the parameter default value is John. This function, when we will call, it will print the hello function has been executed. Inside this function, we created first function name as first. This function will return /t tab. This is inside the first function. Another function name as second function. This function will return, this is inside the second function. And in main function only, we have defined two different functions. Inside this hello function, we are calling first function and second function. When I will call this function hello, it will return, it will first go to this place. Hello function has been executed. Hello function has been executed. Now it will come here, it will call the first function. This is inside the first function. This is inside the first function. Again, it will call the second function. This is inside the second function. This is inside the second function. So here we created one function. Inside that function, we created two more functions. So we are calling function within a function. Now we'll call function with argument or a parameter, we can say. So here we created a function name as first underscore function. This function will return hi sysjohn. Second function we created second underscore function, and here this function will take one argument. So here argument variable we named as function underscore as underscore argument. This function, when we will call, it will print other code will be go here, and after that we are calling function as an argument as function. Now we will call this function second underscore function. This function require one parameter, so we are passing one parameter first underscore function. When it will go, it will print this part, other code will go here. Again, when it will reach here, it will call function as argument. So what is function as argument? While function as argument, we pass first function, means we call this function as an argument first underscore function. It will return hi sysjohn. So here it is returning hi sysjohn. So here we treated function as argument, means we created two function and we are passing a function as a parameter to second function. So this is a function as an argument. Now we will create a decorator. For creating a decorator, we use function only. We have to use @. Later we will see that example. So here we created function name as new underscore decorator and parameter name func. Inside that function, we created another function name as wrap underscore function, and this function will return or print code will be here before executing the func. Inside this wrap function only, we are calling func, means this parameter we are calling as a function. After calling this function, same wrap function will print code is here. So code here will execute after function, and at the end this function will return to wrap underscore function only. So till here we created function inside function and we are calling a function inside function only. Now this function, another function name as func underscore needs underscore decorator, this function will print this function is in need of decorator. So here till here this is one function, this is another function, and wrap function is inside the new decorator function. Now when we will call this function func underscore decorated, because it is a separate function, so it will return this function is need of decorator. We'll do a reassignment of function here. So same function, no change, only we are treating as a variable func underscore needs underscore decorator. We are calling this new decorator function and we are passing one parameter. Here again we are passing function name as a parameter. Here if you see, this is just a parameter name, and we will call this variable as a function. So when it will go, it will first go to new decorator. This new decorator, it will, if you go inside, it will first print code will be here before executing the func. So here it is printing code would be here before executing a function. Again it will come here on the next statement, it will call function func. So what we pass this variable, so func need decorator, so it will call this one as a function. This function is in need of decorator, so it will print this function is in need of decorator. Again after completing it, it will print this statement, code here will execute after func. So code here will execute after func. So this is a function call inside function. To make it simple, we can treat this thing as a decorator. So what are decorators? A decorator simply wrapped the function and modified its behavior. Now let's understand how we can rewrite this code using symbol, which is what Python use for decorator. So here is main decorator. Above part we just explained for understanding purpose. In Python we create a decorator by using symbol, and here you can provide your function name, your decorator name, what you call that one. So here is a simple function only. Here we created a new decorator as a function, but we can treat this function as a decorator by using symbol. So function needs decorator, it will treat this new underscore decorator as a decorator because we are using symbol. When we will call this function needs underscore decorator, what it will do, it will first refer this new decorator. So code will be here, code would be here before executing the function. Then it will call function which we are passing here as a function needs decorator. So this function is in need of decorator. This function is in need of decorator. After that it will print this function is in need of decorator, and code here will be after the func. So this part. So in this part we created two different function and we wrapped one function inside function, but instead of calling multiple times, what we can do, we can treat that function as a decorator by using symbol. So it will uh, wrap all the functions, and we can enhance the functionality of a new function by using new decorator. So in this lecture we saw decorators in Python's concept of decorators, how we can treat function as a decorator, or how we can create a decorator. We'll see you on our next lecture. Thank you.